Diversity in the mathematics classroom is about much more than culture and ethnicity. Diversity in the classroom means teaching mathematics in a culturally relevant way. It means providing learning environments that are adapted to modern technology and preparing students for the job market. Before I started this assignment, I believed that I could have been characterized as one of the teachers that believed that mathematics was acultural. I've always loved math and numbers, specifically algebra. Numbers just make sense. My belief was that math was the only subject that did not change. The way we teach math may change, but 2 plus 2 will always equal 4. That will never change. Now, after reading all the articles and doing the research, I have a completely different view on math. Mathematics is anything but acultural. I agree with ethnomathematics because it's the only way we can prepare our students to succeed. Ethnomathematics is cross-disciplined, and students learn so much more than what they are just made to complete worksheets of problems that they feel they will never use again. There are a couple of obvious reasons to explain the changes in mathematics achievement within the diversity variables that were found on the report that I researched. The first explanation is that our nation has changed culturally in a huge way since the late 70s. Our culture is much more diverse now than it was then. The second explanation would be that in recent years we have learned how to teach more diversely than in the 70s. That would explain the increase in the assessment scores as well. From the Math Motivation website, I would pick Project 7, How Long Does It Take to Drive to Alaska, to give upper elementary students that would connect algebra with culture and the real world. It would be a project that would be culturally relevant to the students and would be interesting and engaging project for them to work on. Learning the amount of time it would take to travel somewhere is a topic that would connect math and the real world while giving students applicable knowledge they will use in the future. This is vital in assuring our students are prepared and successful for the real world.